You know that moment when you open your banking app, scroll down to your auto loan, and the number staring back at you is zero? Not a reminder. Not a due date. Just zero. Most people sit there for a second, confused. Like their brain hasn't caught up yet. And then it hits. That quiet, almost disbelieving feeling that says, it's actually over. But here's what nobody prepares you for. That moment? It's not the victory. What you do in the next 30 days either builds your future or hands it straight back to someone else. Right now, Americans are carrying $1.7 trillion in car debt. The average monthly payment has crossed $750. People are signing 7-year loans on vehicles that lose half their value in 3 years. The math was never in your favor from day one. So the day that payment disappears, that's the first day the math finally flips. But most people don't let it flip. They feel the extra cash sitting in their account. It doesn't feel like an investment opportunity. It just feels like room to breathe. And breathing room in America gets spent. A better dinner here. An upgrade there. A subscription you forgot you started. And before long, the car starts talking to you. The screen looks older. There's a sound at highway speed you've been explaining away for months. And quietly, without you making any conscious decision, you're back in a dealership. Statistics say 28% of people trading in their cars right now owe more than the car is worth. They never even reached zero. They saw it coming and turned around. Here's the number that reframes everything. $700 a month, invested consistently in a basic index fund. 10 years, $143,000. 20 years, $530,000. 30 years, $1.58 million. You put in $252,000 of your own money. The market added $1.3 million on top. You didn't earn that extra million. You just didn't interrupt it. The car payment isn't costing you $750 a month. It's costing you that ending number. That's the price that never appears on the window sticker. So what do you actually do the month the loan ends? 3 moves. Simple, but specific. First, automate the redirect immediately. Same amount, same date, different destination. Don't let it sit in checking for a week. Your brain will find it. Second, if you're carrying high-interest debt, attack that before investing. Paying 21% interest while earning 10% in the market is a losing trade every single time. Third, keep driving the paid-off car. A maintained vehicle runs 200,000 miles easily. The payment ending doesn't make it unreliable. It makes it the cheapest vehicle you'll ever own. While you're driving it, put $200 a month into a separate car fund. In 5 years, you have $12,000 cash. The loan never starts again. The people who build real wealth don't look like it from the road. Research on actual millionaires, not people performing wealth, but people who genuinely have it, shows the median car purchase was around $31,000. Toyotas, Hondas, paid off. The $80,000 truck next to you at the light? 86% chance that's not a millionaire. 100% chance that's a car payment. The truck is not a signal that someone made it. It's a signal they believe the advertising. Real freedom doesn't sit in your driveway. It sits in an account nobody can see from the road. It's the ability to say no to a job that doesn't work for you. To take time between opportunities without panic. To have options that exist quietly, invisibly, and permanently. The paid-off car is not where the story ends. It's the starting gun. The question is whether you hear it. My name is Esteban, and if this one connected, drop a like. Subscribe if you haven't, because we cover exactly these kinds of decisions. The ones that look small in the moment and look enormous 20 years later. Not a financial advisor. Just someone running numbers that most people never sit down to run.